So, I thought I would show you a good taste of coffee. I use fast coffee, Nescafe. I use a bit of turmeric. It's called gurkmeja in Swedish, but this is turmeric. Turmeric. A pinch of black pepper and some cocoa milk. And this is good because it doesn't, it's from coconuts. So if you want to get rid of ordinary cow milk in your coffee, I would recommend this. It's really tasty, and you can store this for a lot longer time. So you can see here I bought some. It has almost 1 year length of. You can keep them. And this is the one I showed you in the Asian stores. It's cost 21.50 in Willys store here in Sweden. So let me show you how I mix them. So got some boiling water here. I'm gonna preheat the cup so the coffee gets really hot. So this one I just leave a little bit for milk. Let's add the coffee. And then, well, ooh, what was that? It's hot. Aye. Let's add some cocoa milk. Something like that. And then the turmeric. This is good for inflammation. And to absorb the turmeric, we add some black pepper, as I said, just a pinch. And then stir it. And there you have it. This is really good taste. Thanks for watching.